Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a glam look for this summer. I woke up today just feeling super energized, and on top of that I had my coffee. So you already know your girl's been dying to make a makeup tutorial, and I had the time right now. So I am still working on the lighting. Like right now it looks kind of whack, so I think the whole entire video it might just be a little bit troubling with the setup and stuff. I'm still trying to figure something out. I just wanted to make this look. I was going through my makeup the other day and I saw this palette right here. This is the In Your Element, the Fire palette by NYX, and the colors on this are just incredible, and the pigment is actually really good. I really like these colors. I just did kind of like a look between these and the dark colors, and I liked it. Without further ado, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, I will see you guys soon in the next video. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with my e.l.f. camo. This is the 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm going to prime my eyelids and clean them up. And I'm going to be using this In Your Elements Fire palette. I'm gonna take the yellow shade. It's really hard to see, but I just apply that on the crease and just really buff that out. And now you're gonna need to go in with a couple layers of these colors, and then I placed the coral color and made sure I buffed that out as well. And then I went ahead and added the burgundy shade right in the inner and the outer V actually, and that just really deepened things up. But make sure that you blend as you go. This is the main key to this look. Alright, and then I'm going to follow it up with my face primer. This is the Tatcha primer. It is amazing. I am using two of my favorite foundations, the Dewy Smooth by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me collection, and then the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect foundation. I love these two, and I'm going to buff it all out with this IT Cosmetics brush. I've got it a long time ago, so I don't remember the name, but I'm going to also conceal the under parts of my eyes as well as the forehead and my nose, cupid's bow, my chin, and buff that all out with the Real Techniques sponge. Set my concealer with the Coty Airspun powder. I've been loving this lately, and I'm going to just kind of go crazy and go ahead and set everything on my face. And I'm going to use the last bit of this Sephora powder. I love the powder foundation they have, and I'm going to actually tan my face a little bit with the Wet n Wild bronzer. I will link everything down below. I don't remember the exact shade for this. And I went ahead and used MAC's Gingerly blush too. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite highlighting palette and use the two shades, golden and the kind of like a rose gold color, and just, you know, give myself a little bit of color, a little bit of sheen. We want to sparkle. And then I'm gonna finish the eyes with the same colors that I used on my eyes on the lower lash line, just to complete the look. And I'm actually using this Natasha Denona palette. This is the Mini Sunset palette, and I'm taking Sunbeam and I'm applying that on the inner corner of my eye, and this ABH Cosmetics lipstick along with the Dior lip plumper.
the shade 2, I believe. I'm going to use wispy lashes. I love these from Ardell. You can actually double stack them and they will still look super natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to just mix my real lashes with the Big Shot mascara by Maybelline. I love this. This is my holy grail. I always use the waterproof formula just because it holds my curl a little bit better, but it gives you tons of volume, and I also like it for my lower lashes as well. Do not forget about those. That is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye! Bastaría abrazarte.